Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you haven't watched one of my videos or you haven't clicked on one of my videos, welcome to my Imp and Beauty family. My name is Marylin Morales. So today's makeup look, it will be all geared towards my Boxy charm, my June Boxy charm that I received not a couple of days ago. Filming this the last day of June. I know I'm really behind on my Boxy charm, but I receive it late. Usually don't check the mailbox that often, let's put it that way. So I think it was there a long time. I just didn't have my chance to get around it. So the Boxy charm comes in 5 to 6 items for $21, and they're all full-size items, and this is what I created with all my Boxy charm products. So the Boxy charm, the most that I was the theme for this Boxy charm, it was Caribbean Queen, and this is how the paper looks. And then it gives you the prices of all the items that you have on the box. So this box contained brushes. We had lashes that throughout the video, towards the end, I give you my input. And then you have a palette, and this was the most emotional or so intrigued that I was, and it was to receive this palette. And this is what I created with this palette, this makeup look. So it was all about Cuba. And all about the Caribbean. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification below, so that way when I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So if you'd like to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Let's go. Okay, so the base of my face, this has been done, and pretty much everything else. The only thing that I'll be applying, it's the products, like I said, from my Boxy charm. So you guys know that we have a bum cream, and this is like for the rest of your skin, not for your face, just to keep that intact. Then we have an Ofra. Let me show you. We have an Ofra Lippy, and this is in shade Verona. We have a pencil, eyeliner pencil, and this is in shade dark brown. And this is from the brand Jante Blue. We have a set of lashes from Baddington Lashes. And the packaging is so cute, you guys. And what I am most intrigued about, we also have brushes. The brushes, I couldn't wait myself. Let me get them. We had a set of brushes, a trio of brushes, and these brushes are from Luxie. You have the dual fiber powder brush that is just like this. This will be perfect for highlight. This is a taper highlighter brush. This is also, you can use it for highlight. You can apply powder under eye powder with this one. And this will be a precision foundation brush. But I will use this for something else. So I'm very happy about this. And then the most exciting part, it will be Alamar Cosmetics. And this is the palette right here. Reina del Caribe, and this is in volume Reina del Caribe, and this will be the volume number 1. This is how the palette looks. Very tropical and very pretty. Okay, so this is swatches of all the colors. Alright, so let's go ahead and start applying this makeup on my face. I'm most excited about this tropical colors. I'm all about colors, as you guys would know. If you hear thunders and everything else, don't get scared. It's just where I live right now in Florida. It's been raining for the past month. Alright, so I'm going to get the color Cocoa Taxi, and I'm going to apply that on my crease. And I have some powder just in case this has some fallout. And the colors are building beautifully. I'm going to just focus this color in my outer crease area. Look at that. The pigment, it's there. Get a Wet n Wild, and this will be more like a crease color, crease. It is still like a fluffy, but it has more like that dome shape. They could go straight on the crease. Then I'm going to go with Tropico. Just going to build up the intensity on that outer V area. And this is perfect. This brush is perfect for the crease area. Going back with Cocoa Taxi, and I'm going to go ahead and blend. Then I'm going to go in straight to the color Guantanamera. And I'm going to build that on my outer V area. And I'm just packing that color in. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, one of her brushes. That comes in the palette. I'm going to get a little bit of Capecito. And put it on my, just in my really outer V area, just to pack that color in. Going with the blue, which is Varandero. I'm going to use it with my finger. And I'm going to pack it all the way where my crease ends. And I'm just packing this color in. Or anything like that. And look at that pigment. Oh my gosh. Right? Cleaning my finger. Then I'm going to use El Malecón, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put it in the center. Just to break the color just a tiny little bit. And get it ready for Celia. This color right here. Now I'm going to be using an angle brush and going, I always have to look at it somehow. Alright, I'm just applying it that way. I could use it. Going back to Celia. And then going back to Malecón and putting that right in the center in between both shades. Going back to blend this edge, Guantanamera. Alright, so this is how the eye is looking. Okay, so going to my lower lash line, I'm going to use a brush, fluffy brush like this. I'm going to use Coco Taxi in Tropico and apply that in my lower lash line. I'm going to get a flat brush, and this one is from MAC. This is my 1212 from MAC, and I'm going to be using the blue color first. And I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line, on top of the other colors that I was doing before. Then going to Celia, pop it on top, blend that in the center. Okay, using a pencil brush, and I'm going straight to La Costa and a little bit of El Malecón, and I'm going to pop that in my most inner corner of the eye for that pop of color. And I'm going to go to work with a full glam face. This is how the eye is looking. I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of the product since I don't have it in my Boxy Charm, so I will be right back. Okay, so I already placed one of the lashes. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you can. This band, it's very thick and hard, so I don't like these type of lashes. And for the price of this lash, I believe these lashes were $28 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they're the Baddington Monroe Silk lashes. The lashes are kind of short, but yeah, they're $28. They are hard to put on. Okay, so lashes are on. These lashes are uncomfortable. I don't know if I will be able to keep them all night long, but they look pretty. And I always have a saying that beauty hurts. So here we go. This is how my eye is looking. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry just a little bit. And I'm going to, since the band is so thick, you want to make sure, or I like to make sure that then I do a coat of a coat of liquid liner, and the liner that I'm using is from my Wet n Wild Mega liner, and I'm going to do a small coat. Just to make sure I can disguise the band since it's so darn thick. Okay, moving on. Last thing, it will be to test out the Ofra, or to put on the Ofra, and this is in Verona. And let's see, and this is supposed to be a long-lasting liquid lipstick. I love me a good Ofra liquid lipstick. Feels very velvety. So there you have it. Gonna go ahead and put my hair down. I will be right back. So this is the completion of my makeup look. I really like the palette. I believe $21 for this Boxy charm. It is awesome. I'll link that information below. It will be, you get about 5 to 6 products in your box for $21, and they're all full size. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below what you would like to see next from me. So I love you guys, and I'll see you back in my next video. Bye bye. Besos.